It sounds like your experience at different jobs have put you in roles where you working at like a profit center versus like a maybe a cost center, and maybe the agency was more kind of cost center side. Maybe your job now at Google is more kind of profit center side, and would love to hear if you have a different opinion there. But in your experience, like how does the job change when you are seen as a profit center role versus like a cost center role?
Yeah, it's a great point. I was thinking before hopping on with you today about things that I would want to tell someone earlier in their career. And one of the things that I would want to tell someone early in their career is understand how your company makes money and how what you do every day relates to that. Because I think definitely changes the company's perspective on what you do, but it also helps you understand how you fit in the larger puzzle, right? Like at TJ Maxx or at TJX, we were absolutely like IT was a valued partner, I'm sure they would say, but it absolutely was not how they made money. The secret sauce at TJX was having this army of buyers who would go off around the world and find stuff to buy really cheaply and then get it back and sell it for a profit, right? And there was this VP I worked with at TJX who whenever we would get too in the weeds in a technical discussion would say, remember guys, we're selling shirts at a discount. That's how we make money, right? And it was always good to keep that in mind, right? That like, yes, there are interesting technical problems that come along with that. But at the same time, like it's not a tech company and we're there to serve the needs of these other folks who are making money for the company. At the agency, I think it was a mix. This project was a big project for them. At the same time, the tech arm is probably a bit of a loss leader for the creative work they were trying to do and creative accounts, right? So it was a bit of a mix. And I think at Google, it's somewhat similar, right? Google makes its money through ads and selling cloud services. We certainly enable the selling of cloud services. So in that way, we're a profit center. But there's also an element of what we do that, and I think we provide a lot of value because Google has a lot of security commitments to its customers in terms of data encryption and stuff, which we enable them to meet. But at the same time, it's not like no one is paying money to use our system, right? Like we are still ultimately something that it's internal infrastructure that is somewhere in between overhead and profit for them.
If you enjoyed this clip, make sure you watch the entire video, which has a lot more content just like this. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of our episodes where we talk to leaders in the tech industry, from software engineers to product managers to engineering manager, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also click the notification bell.